Oh, we just finished adding the design to the front, and I'm very happy with it. I think it's going to be really cool. Once we paint it, it's going to really stand out. We're using the same colors as the what we're using at Zehr Estate and our other properties. No sense of buying more. We already have so many cans of paint laying around. So you can see what I ended up doing. I did end up putting the second board on there, and then I added some diamonds. Now you can't really see all the design, but there are I think chamfer joints or edges. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but that's what I've been doing all over Zehr Estate, where you go in with the router and go down through. And there's a bunch up there, so that's going to look really cool. The window. Oh, I noticed this morning too. So it snowed last night. I'm really glad that I had put caulking on this and then put some primer on, because look at this. It must be sloped just enough that the water ran down here and then froze right there. So luckily it can't go in, because otherwise that would go be in this joint and just future problems. It's funny I did it here though. It must have been the way it was snowing or something, because it didn't do it on the other one. So we have all the moldings on here, and we have the window done over here. So now I'm ready to start going across the top and down through. I'm running out of certain size of pine cutoffs, so I've decided that this side's going to be the 3.5-inch down. It'll still look really good. That'll make the window stand out a little bit larger. And then we have to do this molding over here. This whole corner needs to be done. That'll be the 4.5-inch. And then we're going to tackle the back, and that's where the bees are. And I'm going to remove one of the beehives. The bugs are already in it anyways, and I haven't been able to keep 3 going anyways. As soon as I have 1 or 2, they die, and so I'm not going to have 3 for sure. I'll just try to keep these 2 maintained, have 1 or 2 hives, and that'll be good. Okay, so that's where we're at on the molding for the wood shop.